What's up, guys? Today we are going to learn how to quickly and easily bulk update keywords in Google Ads search campaigns. So first, you're going to want to head over to my site where I have a bunch of free prompts listed out. Copy and paste the keyword one into your agent of choice. I like Gemini. Recently switched over to it. The free tier seems pretty solid. Might pay for it eventually, but for now it's working out. So what you're going to want to do is fill out the information relevant to your keyword update. So chances are you might have some existing ad groups, existing campaigns, or maybe new ones, but you're going to want to fill out the information you need in order for the import to map to the correct destinations. And in this example, you'll see me kind of work through some import errors that I encountered. So this is not unexpected. The first, 1, 2, 3 to 5 times, maybe you're going to encounter some errors, but after that, assuming your process is kind of standardized and evergreen, you're going to create a process that saves you loads of time over the long run. Once you have your chatbot kind of studied up. So just play around with the process, play around with the inputs according to your needs, according to your client's needs, and you'll be able to create imports really quickly in the long run. So here you see me kind of playing around with the mapping and the destination. And if you guys aren't familiar with Editor, just know that there are multiple ways to import depending on whether you have your campaign information in there or just the keyword information, stuff like that. So actually, if you aren't familiar with Editor and would like a breakdown and you don't see one on YouTube that you like, comment below and I'll try putting an Editor how-to together that doesn't have any AI stuff in it, just kind of goes into how Editor works. But as you can see here, I kind of gave up on trying to not have the campaign name in there, so I put the campaign name in there. I'm mapping it in, and when I import, this response is taking a while, so I had to speed it up, but eventually it did come out correctly. So what we want to do, we copy the import it provides us, and then we just paste it in on the keyword level while we have the campaign highlighted. Select multiple changes, paste in, and there we go. We have our keywords assigned to their unique ad groups, because the problem was that all the keywords going into all the ad groups. We don't want overlap, we don't want keyword bleed, right? So now we have specific keywords assigned to specific ad groups in one beautiful import. And if you have kind of a similar workflow every week or month or whatever it is, chances are you can create a workflow for yourself that over time will save you hours, days, months, years. So yeah, please take my prompt, rework it, make it your own, comment below with how things worked out. Thank you so much. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this far. Comment below with any ideas for future videos. And whether you have any questions about the video or looking for Google Ads consulting, feel free to contact me via my website, adsbysam.com. There you can find free prompts as well as any premium prompts, as well as the Validator sheet. My goal with this channel is to find ways to save time working in Google Ads and to share that knowledge. So if you can appreciate what I'm trying to do here and interested in more, please subscribe and leave a comment. It's the best way to support me and get more content just like this. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.